The Flexjet Aircraft Maintenance Scholarship in USA, year 2022 is offering $2,000. Women in Aviation International, WAI, is a non-profit organization dedicated to the encouragement and advancement of women in all aviation career fields and interests. For year-round resources to assist women in aviation, and to encourage young women to consider aviation as a career. WAI also offers educational outreach programs to educators, aviation industry members, and young people nationally and internationally. For more about this scholarship, about conditions to apply and the instructions on how to apply, you can find out on our website, picascholarship.com, by clicking on the link in the description of this video. Also, you can find us on Facebook and you can like us if you want. The most recent initiative is our Girls in Aviation Day program for girls ages 8 to 17. Women in Aviation International is a non-profit 501c3 organization dedicated to the encouragement and advancement of women in all aviation career fields and interests. WAI also provides networking, education, mentoring, and scholarship opportunities for women and men in careers in the aviation and aerospace industries. It aims to promote public understanding of notable American women in the aviation industry. Now, if you watch this video on YouTube, don't forget you can share it with your friends and family. You can comment with any question and we will answer, and subscribe to the channel to get notifications when there is a new video from us. Click on the bell icon for notifications as well, near the subscribe button. While this is primarily a female-based scholarship, men can apply given the correct guidelines and outlines for the scholarship. WAI began in year 1990 and was formally established in year 1994 as a non-profit organization. The first International Women in Aviation Conference was held in Prescott, Arizona, in year 1990. If you watch this video on Telegram, you can forward it to your friends and family, and you can join this channel if you haven't done it already. That's it for now. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.